Hey, how's it going? This is Justin Gilman, and today I'll be walking you through your digital marketing attack plan to show you how you could turn your website into a lead generation machine and really start generating some more revenue for your business month over month. Now, to do that, we first have to understand how are people finding landscaping companies in your area. And if you're like me and many others, chances are you go on Google, type in whatever service or industry you're looking for in this upper search bar, along with your city name. And after doing that and submitting your search, you're going to scroll down and you'll probably pick from the first few results down below, or you'll pick from the first few results in this Google Map pack. Now, it doesn't really matter which one you pick from, but it seems to be a pretty popular option to find services through Google. There's about 320 searches a month for Ocala landscaping companies, and the goal of this video is to put your business at the forefront of those searches. That way we can guarantee that 320 people every single month see your business first before looking at the competition. Now, in order for that to happen, there is a few different things we need to understand first. So first off, we're going to talk about content because content is really important on Google. Some would even call it king. So let's take a look at one of your competitor sites, see what they're doing as far as content goes, and then we'll go back and compare that to your website. So here we are on your competitor's site, and if we scroll down their website, you're going to notice that they don't have a lot of content, but they do have this one big paragraph here. And the reason why content is so important and the reason we want to build out more content than our competition is that content really gives users something to engage with, and ultimately it promotes a positive user experience. And that's exactly what Google's looking for when it's looking to promote a website to the first page, is that you really promote that positive user experience. Now, if we took it one step further and really started to examine this content, you'd start to notice that they have tons of industry-specific keywords. Now, keywords are the most used words or phrases on a web page, and based on those keywords, we're going to tell Google vital information about our business, such as what we do, maybe where we operate from, and ultimately just who we are as a company. So, very important that we not only have a lot of content, but that we also have industry-specific keywords to back it. So, let's take a look at your website and see if it follows that pattern. So here we are on your website, and if we scroll down and go through it, I notice that you do have some content of your own, but ultimately you do have less content than your competitor. And like I said, we always want to go bigger and better than them, so ultimately we're going to want more content. Normally, I like to recommend about 750 to 1,000 words of content on any given page, and you can feel free to go above and beyond that if you'd like. That's just the bare minimum of what I recommend to be a very content-full site. Now, once again, we have to take that one step further as well and add our industry-specific keywords. So we're going to want search terms like Ocala, we're going to want landscaping. Essentially, all the information we want Google to know about our business has to be included in our keywords. So just to rehash everything, 750 to 1,000 words of content, industry-specific keywords, and if we do both of those things, we should be able to set a very solid foundation for our website. However, there's a whole second part to this, which is going to be our external side of things, and that's going to be our backlinks and our citations, and those are going to help our website start climbing the rankings after our internal side determines where we're going to rank. So let's take a look at your competitor's backlink structure and see what they've been working with so far. Here we are taking a look at your competitor's website and a tool I have called Ahrefs, and you'll see that they have 45 backlinks built to their website, and ultimately they generate about 127 users per month. Now, those 127 users are a direct result of the things that they're doing internally, such as content and keywords, as well as the things that they're doing externally with their backlink structure. Now, once again, the goal of this video is always to go bigger and better than our competition. So if they have 45 backlinks, we're going to want upwards of 90 backlinks, maybe even 180 to upwards of 500 backlinks to really push that margin and go above and beyond them, along with our content and keywords. So if we do those things, there's no reason as to why those 127 users shouldn't start to leak over into our website as well. So let's go back and take a look at your website's backlink structure and see what you've been doing so far. So here we are taking a look at your website now, and right now you currently have 2 backlinks, but your website doesn't generate any traffic. Now that's really hurting your business because ultimately our website is a 24/7 salesperson. It makes sales for us at 3 in the morning and it makes sales for us at 10 at night. So we want to make sure that we give it the resources it needs to really drive home that traffic and close those sales. And those resources are going to be the things we talked about, like content, keywords, backlinks, all those good things that really help our website grow and drive some traffic. Now, there was one more thing that I mentioned in this video, and that was citations. So let's go back to the Google Map Pack, talk about citations and how they tie into everything here. So here we are in Google, and like I said, we're talking about the map pack, which we touched on very briefly at the beginning, but the map pack is super important because it essentially gives our business another place to be seen online. And the map pack looks for a variety of different factors when it ranks its companies. Now, one of the most important factors is citations. Citations are all the different places our business's name, address, and phone number are going to be listed online. Some popular citations are things like Yelp, Facebook, Instagram, Yellow Pages, Yellow Books. All those are different citations you can get for your business, and they all ultimately help with the Google Map Pack. Now, I took it upon myself to look through each one of these companies and found that the number one company had 80 citations, followed by 68, and lastly, 54. So if number one has 80 citations, once again, we always want to go bigger and better. So we're going to want 160 citations on top of our backlinks, on top of our content and keywords. And if we do all of that, we should start to see a very positive movement in the amount of traffic our website is generating, but more importantly, the amount of revenue that our website is bringing back for us month over month. Now, that's all I really have for you in this video, but I will leave you with one last question, and that question is, what could an extra 320 customers a month do for your business? Once again, my name is Justin Gilman. I hope this video is very educational, and thank you for watching.